Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, how y'all doing? Out here at the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Going to take up the Freewing Raptor F-22 for the second ever flight. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her. And looky there. Fire booty. Is it going? Okay, cool. All right. Run a 5,000 Liperior with a 60C discharge. Show you the placement when we get done. All right.
High rates.
Timer set for 3.5 minutes.
Takeoff flaps.
All right. Get down here. Whoa. There's a bump right there. There's a hole there and a plane got caught in it. Got here on the center line. All right, I got takeoff flaps in. For me, that is negative 50% with a 2% down elevator mix. All right, here we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down, landing flaps.
Bring by, make sure the gear is down. And it is. And I tell you what, I can sure appreciate the hype on this plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Just jump right up there.
Flaps up.
All right, our grass was just cut. So let's take off in the grass.
Takeoff flaps.
Well, maybe not. Our grass is very thick. All right, we're going to do no takeoff flaps this time.
Gear up.
Well, I love that fire booty.
Landing flaps.
All right, now I got to see just how low and slow I can get her come by here.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Remember, that gear is sequenced, so it takes a while. Constantly
30 seconds.
Constantly keeping your fingers on that throttle. Level at them wings. Whoa! Whoa, hey! Check that out.
Flaps up.
Make sure I didn't bend my gear as she slid back and forth, but I think she's gonna be okay. Oh yeah, she's okie dokie. While I got her here, I still got 30 seconds on the timer. Let me just check and make sure I got enough juice to take off again. Some sharp things in here. Nope, 34%, that'll have to do. I don't want to run the risk any more than that. But still, wasn't a crash, just a really bad landing. So, of course, I guess you could say that about all crashes. They're just really bad landings. All right. And then doors close, and then watch that front door. They'll pop open. See that kind of pop? They have magnets in there to make sure it closes completely. All right, and oh man, well, I scuffed up my paint. Man. But that's why they call it modeling. But I tell you what, look at that fire booty. Love that fire booty. And that's part of the model right there. I'd be willing to bet. Yeah, there's a plastic tip on the very edge here. This is my plastic tip here. And I'll be able to glue that back in place without any real issue. All right, well there you go. That is the Freewing 90mm high performance F-22 Raptor with 6S. And I was going to tell you how much is left in the tank, didn't I? Well, I already told you. We got 33% left. Great plane, flies good. That's the second time I've ever flown her. Just got to have more practice with her. Whew, I'm nervous. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, stay family and friends, then jets. Bye, y'all.